Hello, everybody. I'm Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I have another witchy unboxing for you, and this one comes from Sugar Muses, but it's going to be the Midnight Muses Deluxe for December. Exciting. This is what it looks like when I open it, and every month she changes everything to match. So I'm just going to give you a little peek on the underneath here. We have our pretty books of shadows, and our paper is, look how pretty that is. I love it. Okay. So our theme is Yule Magic. And if you see in here, in the back of the paper is the flowers and the Christmas tree I can see. On the side. From the Book of Shadows art. Look how pretty that is. I love it. Isn't that really pretty? Love this. I love the way she does these. And the next one we have is Yule Magic. Some affirmations and correspondences. Oh no, it's just beautiful notes. Musical notes. But very beautiful. And then we have our black envelope with a beautiful matching sticker. And this tarot is King of Cups, Prince of the Chariots of Waters. So we'll find out what deck that's from. And of course, our beautiful paper. Okay. So we're going to start with the first thing I see, which is right on top, are some beautiful witchy bells for Yule. So we got a pretty wreath. Cardinal here. Some moss. Some bells. And on the side we have, we have a pentacle and a key. Very pretty. Those are really, really pretty. She does such beautiful work. And these are sewn on so they won't fall off, which is really pleasant. Gotta find a beautiful spot for my witch's bells. Beautiful. Okay. Then we have our Yule soy candle, black, beautiful container as always. Matching sticker and our candle. Oh, that smells good. Very pretty. Then we have myrrh. Nice big bag of myrrh. And probably frankincense, yes, because that absolutely goes with Yule. So we got 2 big bags of incense. Okay. We have, where's my doggies on there? My Looney behaving. My other poopy doggie is downstairs with her daddy. We have a perfume ritual oil. And this one is called Yule Magic. I love it. Okay. We got a cedar smudge. What else we got in here? We have Twilight incense sticks. It smells good too. Pretty black sachet here with a beautiful bow. And this looks like garnet. Let me open it up. Give you a closer look. But to me, I think it's definitely garnet. Garnet, garnet. Let's see. Oh yeah, nice big tumblestone of garnet. Beautiful. Beautiful stone. Then we got two more things in our box. We have a Sorrento peppermint truffle, hot cocoa. We got a beautiful one in the other box too, from the Sugar Muses box, Midnight Muses. Very nice. And we got a 2024, which is diary for the Midnight Muses box. I just want to take a looky-loo. It has lots of good things in here. Hail and welcome. Has planetary signs. Perfect, because I haven't gotten any of these so far for the new year, so I'm excited. I like this. This is perfect. And that is everything in the box. All right, let's see what Yule has in store. Twilight incense sticks, our cedar smudge bundle, frankincense and myrrh, our Yule Magic perfume oil, tumbled garnet, our hand poured soy candle, our beautiful which is Diary 2024, and our Artisans Witches Bells. Okay. This month we celebrate Yule, a time for reflection and rebirth. The darkness makes way for the light, a time for hope and promise. The ancient season of Yule, a time for both reflection, celebration, and a time to connect with one's own inner wisdom and the special people that share this journey with us. And it goes on to some correspondences in here. And then this beautiful page goes over the items in the box more in depth. So, the Twilight Incense, beginning rituals, meditations, or spells to cleanse your space and set intentions for your ritual. It smells like a blend of wood, spices, and flowers. All right, our cedar bundle, obviously, shows you how to use it. Yeah, it shows you how to use it. I don't want to go in depth with that. Then we got our Franken myrrh. These you burn over charcoal. Okay. Light charcoal. Place your resins on top of it once it turns gray. It doesn't go in depth of frankincense and myrrh, their meanings or anything, and what they're good for. But I know it definitely goes for the season. I believe it's for cleansing, obviously, and blessings. The Yule perfume oil. I use carrier-based, scent-free organic almond oil. A blend based its notes of balsam fir with a cool ozone and berries. Raw garnet, hand-poured candle. With the intentions and spell crafted with red juniper berries, oils, and crisp winter evergreens. Place on your altar to be used to invoke the element of fire, or used during rituals to welcome back the sun. The Witch's Diary 2024. A practical guide will show you how to harness the magic of nature, reclaim your personal power through discovery and ancient wisdom, and embrace the feminine and divine. You will journey through the year, learning the forces of nature through spell work, incantations, rituals, sigils, age-old recipes, charms that use herbs, candles, and crystals. Our beautiful witches' bells. I embellished these bells personally. They feature a cardinal, which represents devotion, love, good fortune, new beginnings, and strength. And they usually say, if you see a red cardinal, that it's a spirit coming to, like your ancestors, your mother, father, if they passed, coming to send you a message and let you know that they're there. Bells have long been associated with spirituality over the years, all over the world. Enjoy to hang on around your doorways or protect your homes from malevolent spirits lurking around and waiting to slip inside. Years ago, when visiting a home, a visitor would ring the bells hanging outside to drive away any spirits that pass inside, which is the likely origin of the present-day doorbell. These pretty decorations are more than just a simple decoration for witch's home. They are powerful protective wards. Bells, in general, have magical properties in protection, purification, and joys and celebrations. Look at that. Look how beautiful these are. They're gorgeous. Then our hot cocoa with the little disc. This one is great for, of course, after rituals, you can ground yourself, or spells. And of course, this is good for chocolate, love, romance, grounding, and prosperity. We did the garnet, and of course, the beautiful art prints. And then the card is from Hermetic Tarot deck. What do you guys think of Yule magic on the Midnight Muses? I love it. I love the witch's bells because they're handcrafted. I love the cardinal, and I love the key and the pentacle. It's very nice on there. Plus it's sewn on so it won't just fall off, which is really nice. I love all the colors. I love the diary agenda because, like I said, I needed one, and this is really pretty with the red and black. Really like it. And the pages in here, they really stand out. I'll leave the information down below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed Yule.